How to check the debit card balance on your phone. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your debit card balance on your mobile phone. So someday you might want to see the debit card balance on your phone, but you don't want to visit the bank or you don't have any laptop, so you want to see the balance on your phone. Then how can you do that is follow the following steps. So the very first thing that you should know is know what bank account you are following. After you know that, you can simply visit the bank account simply by the logo that you have on your debit card, and you can visit the website and also search there that how you can check the debit card balance, and other informations are also provided there. But the other thing is that you can simply open the app if there is any app for the certain bank, and then you can simply find the balance by the all details on your app, and if you find the balance there, then it's okay. But if you don't find it there, then don't worry, you can simply call the bank. After you call on the certain bank, someone will receive your call and then they will help you. But if you don't want to call, then there is also a helpline on the given app of your bank account. You can simply tap on ask me button and then ask the robot or AI that is right there, by which you can know the balance of your debit card. So these are the options what you can follow to know the balance of your debit card. Hope this video helps. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and also comment on the comment section below.